Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach multiplication by carrying over. Page number 65. This sum has given on the page number 65. So we will solve this sum. The first sum is 15 multiplied by 5. Uh, for solving this sum I use the table of 5. On the units 5 units multiplied by 5 number. Firstly I will read a table of 5 till 5 number. यहाँ मैं 5 का टेबल 5 तक पढ़ूंगी. 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 2 ज़ा 10, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 5 4 ज़ा 20, 5 5 ज़ा 25. The answer has come 25. The answer has come 25. First I split this number. I take out 2 tens and write the top of the 10 side. Okay, and remaining 5 units I'll write on the unit side. The answer has come 25. I split this number. For I take out 2 tens and write at the top of the 2, and remaining 5 units I'll write on the unit sides. Now next one, 1 tens multiplied by 5 number. So I will read the tables of 5 1 number. यहाँ मैं 5 का टेबल 1 तक पढ़ूंगी. 5 1 ज़ा 5. The answer has come 5. The answer has come 5, and I added also this 2 number. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The answer has come 75. Understood everybody? I repeat once again. The sum has 15 multiplied by 5. फर्स्टली आई रीड द टेबल ऑफ 5 टिल 5 नंबर. यहाँ मैंने 5 का टेबल 5 तक पढ़ी, तो यहाँ आंसर क्या है? 5 5 ज़ा 25. सो आई विल स्प्लिट दिस टू नंबर एंड फर्स्टली आई टेक आउट 2 टेंस. यहाँ पे मैंने 2 टेंस निकाली हूँ एंड आई राइट एट द टॉप ऑफ द 10 साइड. यहाँ पे मैंने 2 का कैरी ओवर किया 10 साइड पर. एंड द रिमेनिंग 5 यूनिट्स आई विल राइट ऑन द यूनिट कॉलम. यहाँ पे जो 5 बचा था मैंने नीचे लिखा है. And second on the 10 side has number 1 5 multiplied 1 10 multiplied by 5 number. So I'll read the table of 5 number till the 5 1 number. यहाँ मैंने 5 का टेबल 1 तक पढ़ा है. 5 1 ज़ा 5. अब यहाँ पे आंसर क्या है? The answer has come 5. So I will added this 2 number. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The product is 75. Okay, we will see the next sum. 24 multiplied by 3. We use the table of 3 for solving this sum. Firstly on the unit side has I will read the table of 3 till the 4 number. यहाँ मैं 3 का टेबल 4 नंबर तक ही पढ़ूंगी. 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 4 ज़ा 12. The answer has come 12. I split this to number and I remove 1 tens and I carry on the 10 side 1 number, and the remaining 2 units I'll write on the unit column. On the 10 side has 2 tens. 2 tens multiplied by 3 number. So I will read the table of 3 till 2 number. यहाँ मैं 3 का टेबल 2 नंबर तक ही पढ़ूंगी. 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 2 ज़ा 6. The answer has come 6. Within this 6 number I also added this 1 10. I carry over on the 10 side, and that's why I add this 1 number to the 6 number. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The answer has come 7. Means 7 tens 2 units, 72. Everybody understood? I repeat again. The sum has 24 multiplied by 3. I use the table of 3 for solving this sum. On the unit side 4 unit multiplied by 3. I read the table of 3 till the 4 number. The answer has come 12. I split this 12 number. I remove 1 tens and I carry on 1 on the 10 side. Okay, and remaining 2 units I write on the unit column. 2 tens multiplied by 3. So I will read here. I read here the table of 3 till the 2 number. The answer has come 6. This 6 I also added this 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The answer has come 72. Okay, these 2 you solve at home. Now next one, 36 multiplied by 4. I use the table of 4 for solving this sum. Firstly, I read the table of 4 till the 6th number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. The answer has come 24. I split this number 24. Firstly, I take out two tens and I carry on the 10 side 2 number, and the remaining 4 units I'll write on the unit side. 24 on the 10 side has next I'll 3 tens multiplied by 4 number. Now here I'll read the table of 4 till the 3 number. यहाँ मैं 4 का टेबल 3 तक पढ़ूंगी. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. The answer has come 12. Within this 12 number, I added 2, 12, 13, 14. The answer has come 14. Fourteen tens means 144. 14 tens means 144. Our product is 144. Now second sum, 40 multiplied by 8. Unit side has the number 0. I'll read the table of 8 to 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. On the next side, 4 tens multiplied by 8. I'll read a table of 8 till the 4 number. यहाँ मैं 8 का टेबल 4 नंबर तक की पढ़ूंगी. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. The answer has come 32. 32. 320. 320. The answer has, our product is 320. I explain once again. 40 multiplied by 8. On the unit side has 0 number. 8 zeros are 0. On the 10 side has 4. 4 tens multiplied by 8 number. I'll read the table of 8 till the 4 number. यहाँ मैंने 8 का टेबल 4 तक पढ़ा है. 8 fours are 32. The answer has come 32. I'll write the 32. Our product is 320. Okay, next sum. 54 multiplied by 7. I use the table of 7 for solving this sum. On the 4 unit multiplied by 7 number. I'll read the table of 7 till the 4 number. यहाँ मैं 7 का टेबल 4 नंबर तक की पढ़ूंगी. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. I split this two number. Firstly, I take out 2 tens and carry 2 number on the 10 column. And remaining 8 units I will write on the 8 unit. Second, I will read a table of 7 till the 4 number. यहाँ मैं 7 का टेबल 4 तक पढ़ी हूँ. तो यहाँ आंसर क्या है? द आंसर हैज़ कम 28. तो 28 को क्या किया, यहाँ पे स्प्लिट किया मैंने. I split the 28 number. I take out 2 tens and I carry on the 10 column, and remaining 8 units I will write on the unit column. On the 10 side has 5. Now next 5 tens multiplied by 7 number. So here I will read the table of 7 till the 5 number. यहाँ मैं 7 का टेबल 5 तक पढ़ूंगी. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. The answer has come 35. I added 2 number with the 35. अब यहाँ पे जो 2 कैरी ओवर किया था, ये 2 जो नंबर है हमको कहाँ में ऐड करना, 35 में. 35, 36 एंड 37. द आंसर हैज़ कम 37. $378. The product is $378. And this is your homework, solve at home. I hope everybody understood this topic. Do practice at home and solve page number 82. This is your homework. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.